What would really happen if the United States and Iran went to war? Would it be a quick victory for the world's strongest military, or a long and devastating conflict that could shake the entire Middle East? In this video, we'll break down the facts, numbers, and realistic scenarios. The United States and Iran have been rivals for decades. Both countries have powerful militaries, but their strategies and strengths are very different. Let's compare them and see what might actually happen in a real war. Military power comparison. The United States has the most powerful military in the world, with around 1.3 million active troops and over 13,000 aircraft. Iran, on the other hand, has about 650,000 active personnel and around 600 aircraft. The U.S. also has 11 aircraft carriers and thousands of advanced weapons, while Iran focuses more on missiles, drones, and asymmetric warfare. Technology and air superiority. If a war began, the United States would likely gain air superiority quickly because of stealth fighters like the F-22 and F-35 and long-range bombers. Iran's air force mostly uses older aircraft, but it compensates with large missile stockpiles and drone attacks, including kamikaze drones designed to overwhelm defenses. Iran's strategy. Iran knows it cannot match the U.S. in conventional warfare. Instead, it focuses on ballistic missile attacks, drone swarms, naval attacks in the Strait of Hormuz, and proxy groups across the Middle East. These tactics could make the war long, expensive, and unpredictable. Possible war scenarios. Short air war. The U.S. destroys key Iranian military bases, missile sites, and nuclear facilities using airstrikes and precision weapons. Regional conflict. Iran retaliates through allies and proxy groups across the Middle East, turning the war into a regional crisis. Global impact. If the Strait of Hormuz is disrupted, global oil supplies could be affected, causing economic shock worldwide. Nuclear factor. The United States has over 5,000 nuclear warheads, while Iran does not officially possess nuclear weapons. This creates a huge strategic imbalance. Conclusion. So who would win? In terms of pure military power, the United States clearly has the advantage. But wars are not only about weapons. Geography, strategy, alliances, and global politics could make a conflict extremely costly for both sides.